This year's coverage of SHOT Show 2018 is sponsored by Olight.
Alright guys, welcome to SHOT Show 2018. I got a few things I want to show you guys new from Leatherman this year. First being our Leatherman Pst. So I don't know if you guys realize, but Leatherman's been in business for the past 35 years, and for our 35th anniversary we wanted to celebrate by bringing back the original multi-tool. Same design as what it originally was, featuring the same 14 implements. We even use the same suppliers. Has your standard jaw, your knife blades, your screwdrivers, your wood file saw, and your can bottle opener. Comes in a collector sheath, original sheath, same design as what originally launched with the Pst. Also new this year is an upgrade to our wave and charge lines. By popular request, we've added the replaceable insert cutters to the wave and the charge models. To celebrate the wave's 20th anniversary and our Leatherman's 35th anniversary, we're also launching a line of Heritage Edition tools with some of our classic tools in the original box sheaths from Leatherman. Also new to Leatherman is our tempo lines. Some of you guys may have seen these out in the market already. It's our tread that's been around for a little bit, but we added this timepiece. Swiss made, up to 200 meters. Also new to Leatherman is the tread LT. So we took our current tread and narrowed it down. Same implements. So the Pst will come in two versions, a standard version with the box sheath and a collector's pamphlet. The Leatherman Pst will also come in a deluxe version with a collector's coin, the same tool, with also a booklet talking about the heritage of Leatherman and the Pst and the making of the Pst.